From concept to kinetic reality, the precise assembly sequence of the Honda CR-V 2026 begins. Digital blueprint verified. The physical transformation is now underway. Forming the foundation. Stamping panels for structural integrity. The skeleton takes shape, securing the core safety cell.
Sealed with light. Laser precision ensures maximum panel overlap strength.
Weld quality verified, ensuring passenger safety in high-stress zones. Full submersion, protection against corrosion from the inside out. Layer by layer, yielding the durable, brilliant aesthetic finish.
Thickness verified, ensuring a flawless, lasting shine.
Engineered for silence, isolating the cabin from road noise. The heart of efficiency, assembling the advanced eHEV powertrain. The core installed, power and efficiency secured to the chassis. The nervous system linked, preparing for electrical activation. Torque confirmed, securing the dynamics with verified force. Rear dynamics secured, ensuring stable handling and traction. Steering response engaged, connecting the driver to the road. The command center installed. Preparing the digital interface. Electrical pathways established, organizing the network of information. High-speed data linked, ensuring seamless digital display. The canopy secured, maximizing light and cabin experience.
Safety integrated. The primary restraint system locked and verified.
Comfort and safety installed, securing the passenger environment. Applying the identity, the exterior panels are fitted with precision. Airtight defense, sealing the cabin against wind and moisture. Vision secured. The glass installed with flawless robotic alignment. Autonomy integrated. Sensors activated for adaptive functionality. The rear signature illuminated, defining the car's presence. Contact with the road prepared, mounting the final dynamic elements. Lug nut security verified. Precision torque for balanced rotation. Grounded in reality, the CR-V stands ready on its own foundation. The energy source introduced, ready for the first ignition cycle. The trial of truth, subjecting the vehicle to total digital scrutiny. Alignment confirmed, ensuring precise steering and even tire wear. Vision verified, calibrating the autonomous safety suite. The awakening, the engine purrs with engineered efficiency. Digital systems online, the interface ready for control.
Powertrain validated, testing acceleration and continuous efficiency.
Sealed against the storm, verifying waterproofing integrity, Interior dryness confirmed, maintaining cabin comfort. Stopping force verified, confirming immediate and reliable braking response. Power features confirmed, ensuring user convenience is flawless. The final presentation, unveiling the clean, digital interface. The manufacturing journey concludes, ready for its life of service. The mark of trust, symbolizing global quality and reliability. A fleet of excellence, built for millions of journeys ahead. The final details secured, knowledge transferred to the future owner. Silent departure, the first step towards its new home. From factory floor to global market, the promise of mobility delivered.
Invisible safety, reinforcing the doors against side impacts.
Panel gap uniformity verified, the hallmark of quality assembly. The final insignia applied, marking its identity and technology. Tire pressure integrity confirmed, ensuring dynamic safety begins at the wheels. Acoustic glass installed, enhancing cabin quietness and refinement. Mirror function verified, controlling the eyes of the vehicle. Illumination confirmed, enhancing nighttime visibility and mood. Wheel finish secured, durable defense against road contaminants.
Transmission interface verified. Seamless selection of driving modes.
The climate control stress test, ensuring rapid comfort in any weather.
Fuel delivery secured, maintaining efficiency and safety. Utility maximized, verifying the flexible storage solutions. The mirror finish achieved, a testament to aesthetic quality. Rear visibility verified, enhancing maneuverability and safety. The power source finalized, ensuring reliable ignition and system operation. The final stamp of approval, certification of flawless assembly.
Resting the systems, preparing for the long journey ahead.
Security engaged. The machine is sealed and protected.
The result of absolute precision, ready to serve. Global logistics activated, connecting the product to its destination. Durability protected, shielding the body from road debris. The final checklist complete, manufacturing integrity assured.
A mirror of quality, reflecting the passion of its creation.
Honda CR-V 2026, built for the road, engineered for life.